Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul. Yes, CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to CVS trying to find some deals going on because I did it yesterday, but because I had some CRTs that was actually expiring yesterday, and I know sometimes you can wait until if you got the printout, but I didn't have the printout. I had the digital. So you know how that goes. If you got the digital, you got to do it that day. If you got the printable and it's expiring that day, sometimes you can use it the next day or the next day after. It just all depends. So I said, let me go ahead and do this deal, and then I can bring it to you all today. Okay? So, and happy Memorial Day to everyone. All right. So let's go ahead and get to this deal. So the first thing I did was the LOral L5. Oh, and I'm going to let you all know if y'all hear anything going on, that is my daughter. She's over here doing what she does best. Okay? So let's go ahead and get to it. So on this first one I got, these first items I purchased was the L'Oreal L5. I got the shampoo and conditioner. Okay. So these are two for $8. If you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck. Okay. But I went ahead and purchased 4 because I had a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal L5 CRT. Also, there is I had $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. If you go on coupontime.com and you can actually put in there for L'Oreal L5, it'll tell you where these coupons are. I don't know if they was expired, but you might just want to look in your, just look in your papers. Either, I don't know if it was Smart Source or Save, okay? Just look in there. But when you purchase, like I said, when you purchase 2, you get, when you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck back. So, that's what that is. And then also you get a $2 extra buck back. So here is my $2 that I got back. I went ahead and cut it off because, sometimes things be going, my little receipt was a little too long. So I was like, let me just cut this off. So that's what I got there. The next thing was the CoverGirl. The CoverGirl is buy 2, get a $6 extra buck back. And the CoverGirl I was looking for in the CVS that I went to is a CVS that when I'm on my way out to my sister's house, that's the one I go to. So that's what I was doing yesterday. And they didn't have the small ones, the little pencils, the double pencils. That was a little cheaper. So they had these 2, but I like these also. These are $6.99, but when you buy 2, you get a $6 extra buck back. So I had a $4 off of 1 manufacturer coupon that I printed off of coupons.com. I think it was last week that I printed that off. I had 2, but I used 1 last week. So I got this one. And then in the paper, there was a $3 one. And I forgot which paper to go on, but go on coupontime.com and put in CoverGirl, and it should tell you which paper to actually print, cut out of the paper for that, okay? Y'all, today has been crazy. So also I had a $4 off CoverGirl CRT that was actually, I think it was expiring yesterday too. And it was on the app. It was not, I didn't have it in the paper, so I had to go ahead and use that also. So I got back my $6 extra buck for that. So those 2. So also, I picked up these 2. They only had this kind, the Vital Protein, the morning Get Up and Glow. So I picked up 2 of them because I looked at Crazy Steals and Deals. She had the orange one and a blue one, but the store I went to didn't have the blue. But girl, it was like I had to make sure that the store I went to had those items because some of the items was not in there. But the reason why I picked these 2 up, they was not giving back no extra buck. But if you go on Shopkicks, if you have Shopkicks, but let me tell you how much they are. They are $2.49 a piece. So I said, okay, you go on Shopkicks and you can submit these for Shopkicks, but my receipt is still processing. So I'm hoping that I get those points back, and I forgot how many points that you get back on there, and I'm sorry, but if y'all got Shopkicks, go on there and see if your store has it, and then you can purchase them, and then you can get money back, okay? Shopkicks is a good app, okay? So I went ahead and I wrote in a $10 extra buck back, but they discounted it to $9.96. And if I had known that, and I was thinking that I forgot that, you know, going off my subtotal, and I could have thrown a little piece of candy or something in there, so it could have just taken the whole 10, but that's fine. $9.96, it was just 4 cents, but that's fine. So let me show you my receipt. There's the L5s. There is the CoverGirl. There's that Vital Protein. There are the coupons. And then the $3 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Dig Glitch on there. You see that? Look at my subtotal. And then look at my extra buck that I wrote in. The $10, it discounted it it went down to $9.96. And then look at my subtotal. Nothing. 0. All I paid was taxes. And then look at today I saved $38.92. My savings value was 100%. All right, y'all. So this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.